Namaste Dos. I'm here with my new friend Vijay in Munnar in Kerala, and he has something to say to you guys.
Welcome to Highwaves Travel.
Perfect.
Good morning. Not sure if you can see me, but this morning it's 5:15 a.m. and we're heading up to the highest peak here in Munnar to see the sunrise. I'm like in a horror movie right now talking to this camera. Can't even see my face. There's hardly any light here. Anyways, let's see some sunrise. Let's have some fun. Good morning.
Thank you for coming.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Let's have some fun.
All right. It's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun.
It took us about 30 minutes from our hotel to reach the peak of the mountain to watch the sunrise. We did have to hike about 10 to 15 minutes when the Jeep parked in the mountains, so I'm not sure if this is suitable for all ages. Sadly, there was many clouds that morning, so we could not see the total sunrise, but what an experience overall.
Yeah. Beautiful trek.
You're eating
Wow. Fresh cardamom.
it. Well, it's dry because usually
Yeah.
it's not.
Beautiful. I can't believe this whole plant,
And it's just,
and it's just there, right?
Wow.
That big plant,
Big
and
plant.
Yeah.
that's it. Nice Jeep. What an experience. Beautiful sunrise. Unfortunately, we didn't see the sun come out completely because it's a bit cloudy, but wow. Nice trek too. Beautiful nature. Beautiful Madhugaya. Wow. Bays in the back. There you go. Beautiful. Hello, birdie.
So Chalakron Resort.
Oh.
You stay in.
Wow.
What?
So ஒரு flat surface தெரியுதுல.
Yeah.
So last நம்ம sunrise point அது. So other peak.
Oh, the other side.
Look all the lakes.
Yes.
Like Aniringal Dam.
Oh, the dam.
Oh, the dams.
Wow.
So total 38 kilometers surrounding.
This is not just chai, this is super chai. Super chai, the roadside here in Munnar. Beautiful scenery, what a beautiful day, beautiful morning. Really worth it to take this trip, see the beautiful Mother Gaia, beautiful nature.